Hey guys, what's going on, man? Just letting you guys know that I just got this order today in the mail from Atkins Rotary. Let's see what they got. This is the rebuild kit for my '88 NA RX-7. So it comes with the Apex seals. You know, regular stuff. Corner seals, springs. And you got the side seal springs. This is the solid corner seals. People say that some of them don't work good, but let's see what happens. I'm not gonna knock until you try it, you know? Got this with the kit. This is the side seals. Nice packaging, you know. They do pretty good, you know, in protecting everything. They came in bags, nice thick bags in there protecting them. I got the Hylamar. They gave me a sticker. They gave me 2 pens, but my wife took one. These are I think these are the bearings. And you got the metal oil control rings. They all came in here. And then I went with the Mazda OEM. You know, can't go wrong. Extra, what, $50 I think it was. But yeah, this is everything. Let me see what is this. It's bugging me now. I forgot. Oh, there it is. This is the I forgot the name of this. Jesus. Anyway, I believe that's the one that goes in the roller. See what these little ones are.